Maui dolphins are a beautiful and majestic species, living in a small coastal region just off the west coast of New Zealand's North Island. But they're also incredibly rare and endangered, with only an estimated 63 of them over the age of 1 year old left in the wild, which is why the small Pacific Island nation is doing everything it can to save the species on the brink. And their Prime Minister, Jacinda Ardern, has just announced the country's plans to back a drone project aimed at protecting the rare dolphins. Here's what Ardern had to say about the endeavor.
This new technology will help us understand with even more detail where they are, what more we might need to do to protect them and make sure we've got the right protections in place.
New Zealand has already put in place fishing restrictions around known Maui dolphin areas, but the drone project will seek to get a more detailed picture of their movements and habitats. The Māui Drone Project, as it's been named, will use AI to gather data, from dolphin movements to population size and how far that population is spread out, as well as looking at the habitats themselves and Maui dolphin behaviors. Along with looking at Maui dolphins, the project will also compile data on other seafaring creatures as well, including whales, seabirds, and other dolphin species.